Okay, on this video, we're gonna see a very interesting strategy, how we get social backlinks. So click on your social tab here, and you're gonna see three options: Facebook backlinks, Google Plus backlinks, and retweets. To start with the Facebook backlinks, to show you how to do it properly, we're going to click on here, and here we're going to paste the URL of our Facebook fan page. So yes, we need to create a Facebook fan page. It's very easy to do, so let me show you how to do it. Go to facebook.com/pages/create. You're going to see these options here, and of course you can choose any of those, but for this example I'm going to click on cause or community. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same keyword that I'm targeting. I will agree. I'm going to say get started. Now it's going to ask me a few questions. So what I usually do here is I paste. I'm going to do something else here. I paste a URL of the video here. And for website, I add the video here, and I say yes and yes. I click save info. You can upload a picture for your computer, but for now we're going to skip that to show you how this works. You can add it to your favorites if you want to. I'm going to skip it for now. It's going to show you some options. You can see it. This takes really no time. So I'm going to skip this. I don't want to invite anyone. And here, okay, I have a link here. It doesn't matter if it's follow or no follow. And here I'm going to add that video that I want to target, and I'm going to post that. Click on post, and I will highlight it. Once it's posted, I usually highlight it. So I mean it will be bigger here. Yeah, can you see that? Looks much better, yeah? Okay, what I need now is a URL of my page. You can get it from the top of your browser. And I'm going to paste that URL as a reference for me on the software here. Yeah, you can see my keywords there. So Let me clear this. And now I'm going to click on Start. Now I have some interesting backlinks here. These links are very targeted. So if I click on any of these links, I will show you what you're going to get. You can add Facebook comments straightforward on their pages, and Google index those backlinks. And what you're doing is getting a lot of backlinks to your page. But look, we're not going to spam or anything. I'm just going to say something else. You know, wow, that's very nice. But before I do that, I will change. Here you can click on change, and I will choose the Roku 3 review. You have to put a picture here, but anyway, I can put I love Roku. Some people sometimes add the video URL here. I wouldn't recommend that. Simple as that, no links, nothing. You will see what happened. Going to make the comment. It's optional if you want to post this to Facebook. And look at the other link here. Where is this link going? This link going straight to your page. When Google comes to this page that is very targeted, it will follow this link because it indexes that link even if it's a no follow, and it will find this page here with your video links, and all that situation going on with your video on comments, Facebook comments, and on Facebook itself on a page will help you with your rankings, the rankings of your video. Same thing before, every time that you click on a link, it will change colors. You need to do this for each of them. There are close to 20 here. And they're very powerful backlinks. And give them a try, because these by themselves help us to rank a lot of videos. Another powerful feature now is the Google Plus. So same than before, when I click on Start. So where it's working now. And we got some nice targeted backlinks from Google+. Here we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to copy the URL. And Google knows that this page is about Roku 3. Look at those comments here. You can add a comment here. No need to add a backlink, as I said. You can say again, I love Roku 3. And then paste a URL of your video, and it will grab the title of your video. Okay, let's change this a little bit. What do you try to shape it with your niche or whatever you're targeting? So let's see. I love. This is not right. I'm gonna post the comment, and look what happened. Your link is not there. Okay, only highlighted, of course, if someone goes over, but it won't be spammy. So What do you think about this? That link go straight to your video, and all these links here will do the same for you. And later I will show you a way to index all these links, and doing each of these will take you 20 minutes, and really you can make a lot of money with these videos if you do it right. One more thing here, retweets. You need a Twitter account, so your Twitter account here as a reference. Your Twitter link to retweet. So when you go to Twitter, you need to get your Twitter link or whatever you are tweeting in your account, and then there are some services here that will retweet your tweet as it sounds. Check each of them. There is a free service and these are paid services. Of course you have Fiverr as well, and they can retweet your tweet. Again, you need to have a Twitter account, make a tweet with a link to your video, and then add it here, add the Twitter link here as a reference, if you want to, and use any of these services to get retweets. That will help you as well with your rankings. Okay, that's it for this video. Oh, let me show you again the summary tab, sorry. As you can see, the progress bar is increasing. Let's click on save only in case, and see you in the next video. Thank you.